Hey guys, we're going to be on day 9 of Unit 11 today, and it says that point E, which is at -8, -15, lies on the circle whose equation is x squared plus y squared equals 289. If an angle is drawn in standard position and its terminal ray passes through E, what's the value of sine of this angle? Okay, so if we draw our quadrants out, okay, and we think about where this point would be, starting at the origin, we would have to go to the left, -8, and then down, -15. And we'll draw in our right triangle. This distance is 8. This distance down was 15. Okay. According to theta, where we're reading from, 15 is our opposite side, 8 is our adjacent side, and we don't know the hypotenuse. However, we know that we can find it using the Pythagorean theorem. Although if you know a little something about the circle, we actually already know the hypotenuse, but we'll let you find it, okay, if you don't know what it is. So we'll do a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And we'll do 8 squared plus 15 squared equals c squared. 8 squared is 64 plus 15 squared, okay, is 225. And when you add them together, you get 289. And you guys can see how I already knew that the answer was 17. All right, see that 289? That's the radius squared. And so the radius would have to be the square root of 289, which is 17, okay, which actually ends up being our hypotenuse. All right, so they want to know what the sine of that angle is. So we'll go ahead and do sine theta equals our opposite side, which is 15, over our hypotenuse side, which is 17. And one more thing to check before we box up our answer. All students take calculus. And tangent theta is the only one that's positive in quadrant 3. And so we have to make sure that we add in a negative so that sine theta is negative in quadrant 3. And there we go. Okay. All right, guys, I'll see you on day 9 notes.